खास गरी मध्यवर्ती क्षेत्र भनेको हुन त धेरै खालको समाज छ, फेरि पनि यहाँको चाहिँ मुख्य लक्षित वर्ग भनेको बोटे, माझी, मुसर, कुमाल आदि चाहिँ अब उत्पीडित समुदायहरू यो क्षेत्रमा बसोबास गर्ने भएको हुनाले ती लक्षित वर्ग जो अहिलेको राज्यले पनि सीमाङ्कित वर्ग भनेर चाहिँ अब छुट्याएको छ, त्यो वर्गको निम्ति परिवर्तनकै निम्ति र खास गरिकन समाज विकासको निम्ति यो संस्थाले जसरी कार्यहरू गरिरहेको छ यसको निम्ति चाहिँ अब हामी सराहनीय पनि छ र अझै विकास गरोस्, अझै उसले चाहिँ सहयोगको चाहिँ हामी आशा गर्दछौँ।
The Central Zoo and Bagmati River Conservation Projects are projects of NTNC at the mid-hills of Nepal. These projects are located at Kathmandu Valley, the capital city of Nepal. Central Zoo is Nepal's first and the largest zoo. This zoo was established by Juddha Samsher Jangabahadur Rana, the then Prime Minister, about 76 years ago as his personal interest. About 14 years ago, the government of Nepal had handed over the management to NTNC for the next 30 years. The trust has not confined the Central Zoo as a site for recreation only, but also developed it as a biological laboratory for conservation studies center. Under this concept, the coordination and relationship have been built between the zoo and some 200 schools in the Kathmandu Valley under the Friends of Zoo program. The Trust has initiated Bagmati River Conservation Project for the sustainable conservation of the Bagmati River, which is of both religious and environmental importance, and its tributaries. This is the first program of the Trust launched to keep urban environment clean and healthier. On the initiation of the Trust, a detailed action plan for the Bagmati River conservation has already been prepared. This action plan has already been endorsed by the Cabinet and will be implemented very soon. The rather low flow of the river is also one of the main causes of Bagmati River pollution. So, it has been realized that afforestation along the Bagmati River banks is a must. Accordingly, under NTNC's initiation, approximately 100,000 saplings were planted in the watershed areas of the river on August 21st, 2009 amidst a function. The National Trust also selected 15 students from the schools located nearby the Bagmati River and handed over the leadership of the conservation, declaring them as Green Ambassador. The Himalayan mountain system is the planet's highest physiographic location. Billions of people are dependent on the resources from the Himalayas directly or indirectly. With its outstanding natural beauty, the region has always attracted travelers across the world. The Trust identified the challenges and opportunities of conservation of two of the most popular destinations located at the Himalayan region. Annapurna Conservation Area Project and Manaslu Conservation Area Project are the important projects of NTNC launched at the Himalayan region of Nepal. The Trust has prioritized people's participation to manage these conservation areas. Mount Annapurna, the 10th highest peak of the world. NTNC has launched Annapurna Conservation Area Project, popularly named ACAP, at this region. ACAP is the first project of NTNC. ACAP was first tested as a pilot program with the establishment of its office in Ghandruk Village Development Committee of Kaski District in 1986 AD. With the success of its first phase and after being attested in the Gazette as a conservation area in 1992, NTNC expanded its full-fledged program to the entire Annapurna area, spreading in 5 districts and 57 village development committees. Annapurna Conservation Area is the first conservation area in Nepal which has refrained from using any assistance to protect the dwindling natural resources base on which the region depends. The multifaceted problems of the Annapurna Conservation Area have been addressed through an integrated, community-based conservation and development approach. Instead, ACAP invests whatever financial resources available for community development and social capital building in the region. ACAP has been implementing conservation and development programs through Conservation Area Management Committee at the Village Development Committee level. Similarly, mothers groups, hotel and lodge management groups and subcommittees for the management of daycare center, drinking water, irrigation, microhydro, forest, agriculture, monastery, etc. have been formed as per need.
आइसके पछाडी यहाँको वनको कुराहरू हो, यहाँको चाहिँ गाउँको चाहिँ जुन स्थिरको कुराहरू छ, अब जुन आमा समूहको कुरा छ, सबै कुरा चाहिँ यहाँनिर धेरै नै प्रगति चाहिँ धेरै नै चाहिँ अगाडि चाहिँ अब भइरहेको छ। एकै आए पछाडी नै यो चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ जुन पाखा पखेरो थियो त्यो खाली थियो, अहिले आएर चाहिँ पुरा हरियाली देखिरहेछ।
With the participation of local people, NTNC helped to set up Gurung and other ethnic museums in its project areas of the mountainous region. It has also supported the development and promotion of ecotourism in the region. The Trust has launched a number of programs aimed to improve socio-economic status of people through agroforestry and promote organic products programs. A tea farm and a processing plant set up in Luang, Kaski district are examples of this kind. Mount Manaslu, the 8th highest peak of the world. Manaslu Conservation Area is located here and has spread in 7 village development committees in northern part of Gorkha district in Nepal. With the experience from ACAP, NTNC started this Manaslu Conservation Area project MCAP in this region since 1997. Recently, the management tenure of the trust in the Manaslu Conservation Area has been extended for 10 more years until 2018. Conservation area